have a smartphone, access to data or Wi-Fi, or a laptop? And if you answered yes to any two of those three questions, then my next question would be, have you monetized your devices? Are you making money online using your laptop or your smartphone? If the answer is still no, what are you waiting for? Now, I want to plug you today with a program, very exciting one, that is called the Sapphire Systems and Software. Now, this is one of our very specialized programs within Automation Masters, which teaches you on how to take full control of your financial future by learning how to trade on the financial markets, which is the Forex markets, the Indices markets, and as well as the cryptocurrency market. So now this involves the trading of countries' currencies. For example, if you are using the South African rand and American dollar, it'll be USD ZAR. And when you are buying USD ZAR, you are literally saying that the dollar is going to gain value and the South African rand is going to lose value. And if you predict that correctly, then you are able to then make a profit. So we call that prediction of you predicting. We are now speculating. So if you can speculate correctly, you then are able to earn a profit on the particular trade, and vice versa. If you then say it incorrectly, you are going to incur losses on that. So now this is a specialized trading discipline or career. So you need to learn on how to get to do it by yourself on your own, because you cannot entrust anyone to do it for you. So never ever let anyone say they're going to trade for you, they're going to handle your investment, they're going to help you get into a crypto project. Run away. Always learn on how to do it on your own, because that's where you can have full control over your finances. Hence, it is important for you to learn on how to trade on your own, trading the Forex market and then the Indices market. Now, you're looking into, the intertrade, the rising and falling of companies, stocks which are put into portfolios that now we call this indices, and you're able to trade them. Now, we're looking at companies listed in the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, whether it's Apple, whether it's Microsoft. These are some of the companies that you'll then get to literally make money from. We're looking at the USA 30, we're looking at Nasdaq 100, the S&P 500. You get to have direct access on the market via a broker. You get to trade and speculate on the performance of these indices. So now the third one is cryptocurrency. With Donald Trump being the president of the new world, America, you now know he is all for cryptocurrency. He's created a lot of funding backing up, crypto, and also ensuring that America is ranking number one in the adoption of crypto. And we have seen the markets going crazy. Now, with all of that volatility, whether it's bullish or bearish, we are able to now skillfully take an opportune moment and be able to make money from that. Whether there is a crisis globally, where there could be, a global, outbreak of any sickness or disease, we are able to capitalize on those, information or on those releases on the news and be able to trade successfully online. So whether there's interest rates, whether there is J-Lots, we're now able to capitalize on all of those releases in order for us to earn a good income online trading. So we'll teach you all of that within the Sapphire Systems and Softwares, so that you can take full control and become a Forex trader or a financial markets trader who is now able to trade in all of these different disciplines. And not only that, we don't just leave you there. There's more earning opportunities within this discipline. Now, there's another opportunity that will, teach you on how to earn on affiliate marketing with the partnerships of brokers. And then every single time you share your link and people use your link, we'll teach you on how to then earn an income from that. So now, while you are trading, you're also earning on affiliate commissions. You need to learn on how to trade successfully and skillfully, you can then trade on your own just using your technical tools, or also trading using fundamental tools. But you can also learn on how to trade using our automated analytical tools. So we're going to be giving you 3 very powerful tools that are going to be coming with your Sapphire Systems and Software training. The first one is the NFA trading software, which is a system, a tool that fully analyzes the market on your behalf, and then it then looks at opportune moments where you can be able to skillfully buy in the highest probability or sell where there is a highest probability to sell. It shows you where to open a buy or sell entry, where to set your stop loss, and where to set your take profit 1 and 2, and be able to control and modify your trade as and when the market is moving. This is one tool that I've been trading with for so many years, and that a lot of other students of mine locally in South Africa and globally around the world have been trading with successfully, and you get to have access to it. And the second tool that we're giving through to you is the AM demand and supply zones. So it's an analytical tool that scans the market for analytical, psychological buy and psychological sell zones, where you can then be able to go and place your buy and sell trades based on the training that we provide you. So we're providing you with a video step-by-step guide training that will show you exactly what to do and how to use these analytical tools. Because now for yourself, when you're starting, you'll not really know where to skillfully buy, skillfully sell. But with these analytical tools, they are able to continuously scan the market, so that you can be presented with the highest probable opportunities on the market. So now we're also giving you a very powerful tool called the AM pivot point system. So now this analytical tool, it looks for very significant price points where when the market either touches or breaks or reverses from those levels, it then tends to shoot aggressively. And now that is where we tend to make quite a good money on those opportune trades. So these are levels that a lot of traders, economists, and people in finance are looking into seeing great psychological buying or selling momentum in a particular trading day. So all of these 3 tools are very powerful tools that we equip you with, that they come with the Sapphire Systems and Software when you purchase it. Now, what is also great, when you've made your profits from trading, you now need to diversify your portfolio. Obviously, we then teach you how to get started, buying and selling, shares on a platform that is called Easy Equities, because you need to become a shareholder. You need to be the first generation shareholder. You can't go around not owning shares. What are you doing with your life? Are you not owning shares anywhere? Why are you sleeping on this? You got to learn on how to own shares. You got to learn on how to own crypto, because the future of money is crypto. We are moving away a lot from fiat money and more towards crypto adoption. Adopt crypto and then also buy shares, so that your kids will thank you for literally plugging them to live a liberated life financially. So you can be able to do all of this within this exciting Sapphire Systems and Software. So it is very good for beginner traders, and it is very good for traders who have tried trading before and they've failed. So if you're someone who is an intermediary trader or an expert trader, but you're struggling with certain key concepts on the market, I've been able to literally train people on the financial industry, people who are now working in banks, people are working in high profile institutions. Some of can't even mention them, because based on the kind of work that they're doing. But as high as people working in presidency, some have left and some are still over there. I've taught them how the financial markets operate, and I get to teach you as well, so that you are able to literally take your financial game to the next level. I've taught people from all over the world, in the UK, in Canada, in America, all over in the UAE, all over Africa, and now I get to also teach you so that you are able to take your trading game to the next level. So trading the financial market is one of the biggest markets globally, and now there's no market that even comes close to the Forex market. So you also get to enjoy the circulation of liquidity that gets to be circulated on a daily basis. Now, you're not going to become a millionaire overnight, obviously, but you can learn on how to navigate around this financial market and be able to get whatever targets that you are looking for, and then you are happy. Once you've reached your targets, you are happy, you get out of the market. Never be greedy, never be fearful, but operate on ensuring that you're just securing enough back so that you and your family can live comfortably. And a disclaimer with trading, do know that there is a potential loss of capital every single time that you are trading. What we are providing you is financial education. So we are only teaching you on how you can be able to learn and how to use all of these tools. So it's entirely up to you on when you and how you're trading, and you need to be able to bear the responsibility of using the tools that we are providing you with. So if you're ready for that and you are ready to take the risk and not remain the same, then ensure that you are clicking on the link in bio or visit the in-store and be able to get yourself the Sapphire Systems and Software and be like some of my other students who are already enjoying their financial freedom. It's time to trade. Let's go get it. Boom.